So to create a fly stitch, we're just going to start with these V shapes here on the outside. So you're just going to bring it up on the left side of the V, and then you're going to put it back down on the right side, keeping hold of the thread, so you're making a loop. Then you want to bring it up at the bottom, bring it all the way up, and then you're just going to put that on the opposite side of this loop, so you're catching the loop and you're anchoring it down, just like that. So left side, you don't have to start on the left side, you could do the right side if you want. Bring it down the other side. Another variation of this as well is if you wanted to make it more of a Y shape rather than a V. Instead of bringing it back down straight onto here, you could bring it down a bit so that once you've anchored it down, it would be more of a Y shape. So that's an alternative. So I'm just going to continue this all the way around. And that is a fly stitch. So join me next time and we will be doing a feather stitch, which is quite similar.